All right, I'm gonna start. So let's continue with your week 5. Before I go on, can I just check any questions that you want to ask for the previous one? Any schoolwork questions you want to ask me? Or is there some issues that you are working?
And where's Skylar?
I think she's still on the way, trying to log in. I don't know, she just suddenly disappeared. I think she got logged out. I think so. She's trying to adjust her screen. There she is again. Hold on,
She
Okay.
stopped the video now.
Yeah. Well, never mind. Let her just adjust her. Okay, she got logged off again. Right. I think she's having problem connecting. So let her give her some time to try. But before that, I want to check. Have you watched the video before for the week 5 before joining? Sorry.
I think I watched the video.
You think you watch? You think or
It's very
confirm
hard to
that?
tell.
What do you mean very hard to tell?
Yeah.
Okay, she keep getting cut off. We just have to give her some time, okay? All right. I wonder if I can auto allow people to join. Okay. Skylar, any trouble with your connection? Oops, she got disconnect again. Okay, never mind. As we go along, we will just keep logging her in. Hold on.
Just wait.
Yeah, I don't know why she keep locking. She can't connect properly. Okay. You have to watch your video for week 4, week 5, all right, before you join the class. And at least you will know what's going on with the question, with the lessons when I'm about to go through. Okay, we're going to start off with number 1. Same thing, go get your notebook ready. Secondly, make sure you have your toilet break now before you start the class so that you don't need to get interrupted during lesson. Okay, so let's go on to your first question. We're still on your subtraction and addition. Okay, right now we're going to do some questions relating to the problem sum as well, right? Normally it's just 2-step problems, word problems using models. Right? We teach you how to draw the models. When you use a model, it will be easier for you to understand and analyze the diagram, the problem sum, and then you can plan your step by step working from there. Okay, when you have a model, you can see it more clearly. Now, last lesson, we had a lot of fun. Skylar was asking, where are you, Wei Hong? Basically, we had a lot of fun trying to play around with the models and drawing. So we are going to do that again, this lesson. So let's just get used to this part, okay? Sorry, first one. Sorry, excuse me. All right, study the following pattern. I'm going to put this camera, all of you aside. Okay, now we know that your first pattern, you've got 2 triangles. And the second pattern, you suddenly go on to 4 triangles. Can you work out from this pattern? How many triangles were there in pattern 10? Who wants to try? 20. You have got I can divide it into two area. One of you take each 10. One.
I think it's 2 times 10.
Very good. You can try writing with your pen on the working there on the space, and Skylar as well.
What is 2 times 10 times.
So work out your working. Now later, before your break, I'm going to give about 5 minutes to test you on your timetable, okay? So far, hopefully you have get used to your timetable. What number timetable have you learned up to now?
And where's Skylar?
So what number timetable have you learned up to?
20.
Have you
I learned
memorized?
up to 4.
4 only?
No, I mean 7.
What about 5, 6,
7.
7? What about 8, 9?
No.
Not yet.
Also, by that until 10. But I skipped the 8 and 9.
Why? Did you know
That's what
9
my
is the
teacher
easiest?
That's what my teacher did.
But you know your 9, 10 table is the easiest? Okay, Skylar, would you want to try to write your answer down? Later, I'll explain again the 9 timetable, how you work, where you don't need to memorize. You can just use your fingers to work out your answers for 9 timetable.
I do
Yeah.
20. My answer, I think, is 20. Because it's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 plus...
Sorry, what did you say?
It's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Skylar, are you having problem with your connection? Everything okay?
Okay. Finally, I get to hear your voice. I never heard your voice in a single year.
Okay, let's do your working. Why did you wrap off your timetable?
I don't
Why
know
did you wrap
whether
off your
it's
answer?
fair or not. 2.
Never mind, just write it down. We'll go through it together.
Yeah, I think it's 20. Who knows?
Be confident of yourself. It's okay to make mistakes, but actually you are correct.
My brother thinks the answer is just 10. Same.
Your brother is beside you working for you, is it?
Yeah. He said that the answer
Okay.
is 10, but I do 20.
All right, your first pattern is 2 triangles. Second pattern increase to 4. What happens is, as you go along, you realize that it double up by 2. So all you need to do is just take 1 times 2, okay, for your pattern 1. Same thing for pattern 2, 2 times 2. That's how you get 4 triangle. And then same thing for pattern 3, 2 times 3. That's how you get 6. And of course, 4, you get 2 times 4. That's how you get 8. So they are asking.
Is that how you get 20?
They are asking for pattern 10, right? So basically, pattern 10, you just need to times 2. Your answer would be
10, 20.
20.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all it is. Very simple, straightforward.
Last one is 10. Like,
Okay, so that's your answer. There you go. 10 times 2 equals to 20. Question 2. Let's try this one now. I'll let you all work it out on your own. Same thing. Find a space to write your answer. Try to write it smaller so that you got the space for each other. So same pattern, your figure 1, 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 times 1. Okay. 3 times 1. And then second figure, 3 times 2. Third figure, 3 times 3. Can y'all work out figure 19?
39. 9.
Are you sure? What is figure 19? 19 times 3. Can you work out the sum for me?
1 plus 1, then 39 plus 1.
So basically you have 19 times 3. 9 times 3 will give me
19 times 3.
9 times 3 will give me what? Or 3 times 3 will give me, 3 times 9 will give me what? 9 times 3 is the same as 3 timetable and is also the same as 9 timetable. So
Equals 27.
technically, yes. So it's actually 27. Put your 7 here. Put your 2 here. 1 times 3 will give me 3. 3 plus 2 will give me
3
5.
plus 2 equals 5.
Yes. So it's 57. Okay.
I'm not very good at 3 times table of multiplication.
You have to practice.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm going to do.
Let me clear my ink. All right. So your answer basically, there you go. Figure 1990 times 357. Next one. So you've got multiples and constant. Your multiple basically follows a timetable. And your constant is the number that is the same throughout, is the fixed number. Okay, so you can be positive or negative. And what happens is let's say, for example, this one, you have your first pattern. You got your 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. Okay, first one is 4 sticks. Second pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you got 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticks. Okay, so what happened? You got laid it out like that. Every single pattern increased by 3 sticks. So you link it to a 3 timetable. That's a multiple. All right. Don't forget. So here 3 timetable, 1 times 3 is 3. You need to plus 1 because they are short of 1. All right. So you need to add. Let me erase. Okay, you need to add the 1 so that you can get to the 4 in your pattern 1. So what happens is just plus 1, you get your answer. So if pattern 100, just take 100 times 3 plus your 1, you will get 301. Okay, so let's try a question similar to this. Number 3. All of you try.
4 plus 3 plus 7.
Yes. So what's your first one? If you look, 1 times 3, you get 3. You need to plus 1 to get you 4. So your second timetable, again, same thing. Second figure, you have your 3 even number here, the blocks here. Very good. Third one.
9 plus 1, 10.
Yes. So it's 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Fourth. What's your fourth figure?
It's raining. 12 plus 1 equals 13.
Very good. So basically 12 plus 1, you get 14. Okay. 13. 12 plus 1 is 13. All right, so that's your answer. Your 18 model will be just 18 times 3, 54. Make sure you remember to plus 1. Your answer is 55. Okay. Any questions?
Nope.
Yeah. 4. Number 4, let's try this problem sum now.
This is easy, boys.
I'm going to give you all each one side. Try to use a pen, do your working and show me how you work this out.
I'll show you my working
Yeah.
on my paper.
You're still not used to writing using the pen, is it?